Hello guys, this is Nancy from Jietaihardware. Today I'd like to introduce our best-selling product. This is a hinge used in showroom. Why choose us? First, we choose different raw material. We choose number 59 copper, which is more expensive than number 57, because number 59 has better performance in processing. We want something of high quality. Second, we are using the CNC machining. The whole processing is controlled by computer. We want precisely make product and every part can meet the contract requirements. Third, we are using different electroplating surface finish standard. We are applying stricter standard than the international standard. It ensures our products should pass the neutral source spray test for 200 hours and the A-source spray test for 24 hours. We want our product remain a fresh look even after many years' use. The surface finish can be matched up with hand tools and clips. Now let's have a look at its internal structure. First of all, you can see the screws we use are also electroplated. It can match the color of the hinge very well. Now let's look inside. It is solid, not rough, so it is heavier, stronger, and can withstand heavier glass doors. We also supply this one. It's rough. It's cheaper than the solid. You can choose whatever you want. The gasket we use is green rubber, which has stronger firmness, better anti-aging performance, and it will not turn yellow when contacted with glass glue for a long time. We have 3 packaging metals. Each metal can protect the product very well and will not be burned during transportation. We can also customize color boxes packaging for customers. Friends, if this product is what you need, just click on our website to get more product information. See you next time. Bye bye.